You're watching Treehouse.
My name is Colin.
Oh! That's all I can about. My name is Julie. What do you say was there? Oh, we are. I've been since.
My name is Kara from Mr. Satan's first grade class. We will begin our day just like any other day with our respectful reminder. Madeline Murray from Mrs. McGuire's third grade class will share the respectful reminder. This week, our respectful reminder is to look at the speaker to show your interest. Thank you, Madeline. My name is Cameron from Mrs. Connor's third grade class. Safety patrollers Declan Brown, Ava and Danielle Doherty would like to nominate several students for their respectful, responsible, and safe bodies in the hallways. Good morning. I am Declan from Mrs. Caldwell's class. My name is Danielle from Mrs. Montaine's class. My name is Ava from Mrs. DeFose's class. We are house safety patrol. We have learners to recognize today for following PBIS expectations so well. Please come on up for your sticker when you hear your name. I'd like to recognize Wyatt from Mrs. Daly's class for always being safe in the hall. I'd like to recognize Brianna Morgan from Mrs. Murphy's class for being responsible in the hallway. I would like to recognize Sam Wallace from Mrs. Pearson's class for being respectful in the hallway. Thank you for doing such a great job on following self-schools and expectations. Keep up the great work. Thank you, Declan, Ava, and Danielle. My name is Lily from Mrs. Connor's first grade class. The next part of the meeting is the Pledge of Allegiance and patriotic song. Please remain standing after the pledge to join us in singing your grand old flag. Please all register the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it We would like to recognize all students who have birthdays in April. We will celebrate by singing our birthday song, Happy Birthday. But first, the following students have birthdays today and over the vacation. Charlotte Corbett, Elizabeth King, Jenny Perez, Isabel Delaming, Ava Eldorado, Kayliana Gionette, James Tessman, Aiden Donovan, Jaden Malkaheimy, Zachary Bira, Benjamin Chapalo, Jacob Casamaro, Shayla Eastman. Please stand up if you have a birthday in February or August.
Thank you.
My name is Casey from Mrs. Peterson's first grade class. Thank you for participating in our Jungle for Heart Jump-a-thon. Mr. Holmes would like to share our final results.
All right, yes, thank you all once again for a wonderful jump rope for heart we had yesterday. As we talked about each time a new group came in, it takes a lot of people in our school to kind of get it to go together and to work together and to cooperate for us to have this big grand event. So, at the end, we can applause for everybody. But of course, we had all of our staff here who adjusted their schedules. We had the cafeteria that helped us out with a healthy snack and adjusting how lunches went. We had Mr. Nickerson running around. He was taking tables up and down and moving and sweeping and cleaning for us at all the times. And all the parent volunteers that came in. And of course, all of you guys. So give a big round of applause for everyone. We've been to many schools with the jump rope team, and I can tell you not a lot of schools are able to have a big event like this in the full day. So we're really fortunate to have a staff at the school that allows us to do that. So I thank you very much again. And of course, like I said yesterday, if you haven't been able to raise money or bring money in yet, and you still wanted to, you can. You can bring it in today. You can bring it down to the gym or to the front office. We'll take care of that. Or you can also bring it after vacation if you want as well.
But you know, you can have for me.
We send another envelope out to the Heart Association. So, all right. So, if you were able to raise money, thank you very much. If you weren't able to this time, we talked about all the many reasons why that could be. That's okay. No one's upset or disappointed. You can go home. You can share the message of the monsters, of drinking water, getting plenty of rest, eating healthy vegetables and fruit, coloring your plate. And if you can share that message, or you can teach someone how to jump rope or use a Pokeball, then maybe you're helping them keep healthy just as well. All right. So please keep that message in mind as well when I go over this next part. All right. So I do have our final tally from yesterday. So as of 5 minutes ago, our tally for our jump rope for heart this year is $10,958. Give yourselves a nice hand. Nice job. Nice job. And I'll tell you, this is our 10th year doing it. When I came in here, Julie had the jump rope team. We all got together and started the jump rope part again. It's our 10th year, so I went back and got all the numbers from the 10 years. I say, wow, we're a real fortunate school. We got great support. We got a lot of fundraising here, a lot of events. We still got a lot of fundraising for the Heart Association. I wonder how much we've given in 10 years. And I was just blown away by this number. So, The number in the 10 years that we've done it has been $115,865. That's a lot of money. So big hand to all of you and all of your peers that have come through before. And once again, thank you to everyone who helped out.
Thank you, Mr. Moss. My name is Alex from Mrs. Pearson's Birthday Trust. On behalf of the drama team, Mrs. Martin and Mrs. Mason would like to recognize the selfless efforts of the drama club production of Cinderella.
Good morning. I hope you all enjoyed Cinderella. We had a great time performing it. Would anyone in the cast and crew of Cinderella please stand up for my 4th and 5th graders? All right.
Caitlin, what cheer should we do?
Truck driver.
Truck driver.
So you guys know the CDs aren't ready yet, but when they are, we will make an announcement and all the drama club will meet in the library and we'll view the play together. Okay? Thank you so much, kids. You can sit. So there's a few other people we need to thank. I know a lot of the parents of our 4th and 5th graders aren't here, but they deserve, if you see them, pat them on the back for bringing the kids and letting them stay late. All the staff at the school, we couldn't do this.
We could not do it without
Without you guys. You put up with our scenery in the hallways, we changed lunches, costumes, ironing, everything. So we really appreciate and thank you for letting us perform here. And Mr. Nickerson, we wanted to do special thanks to for helping us with everything that he does. But we couldn't do it without all of you. Oh, yes, 3rd graders. If you're interested in the drama club next year, we will be putting on a play. We will be doing something. So we don't know yet. Just keep listening to the September all-school meeting.